Let's forget about our love tonight as we're driving back home in the middle of the night. Said her head is screwed on tight, but she's on medication, so she'll be alright. Since her heart ain't ever home, wherever she goes, her love will roll. Once I got her on the phone just to hear a man's voice, I think she knows. Now I wish I could forget. Now I wish I could forget. Now I wish I could forget. How I wish I could. Ooh. Let's forget about the time we spent building up something that we'd soon regret. Sure, I got some cash for the ring, but I lost the only home I'd ever swing. So now I just occupy space. It doesn't feel like home, so my heart will roll. Last time we spoke on the phone, I told her get bent, she told me get grown. Now I wish I could forget. Now I wish I could forget. Now I wish I could forget. How I wish I could. Ooh. You interrupted my video.